Here we go. We'll just hold on for a minute, Ms. Chavez. Your attorney had to step out for a minute. Okay, now, Ms. Chavez, I have before me a document that is titled information. This information alleges that on or about December 19th of 2021, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of failure to identify fugitive from justice. Ms. Chavez, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes.
And to this charge, Ms. Chavez, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, and no contest?
No contest.
Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charge?
Okay.
I didn't hear you. Are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Ms. Chavez, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. On page 2 of this document, there are a set of initials, MC, next to a box that is checked no content rate, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Ms. Chavez, did you also sign this document?
Yes.
On the next document, Ms. Chavez, this document is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. At the bottom of this document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Did you also sign this document?
Yes.
At the top of the same document, there is one box that's checked. The box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And Ms. Chavez, I also have before me a document that is titled Discovery Certification. I have this document on paper. At the bottom of this document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. The signature is, it says Maria Chavez. Did you also sign this document?
Yes.
Now, Ms. Chavez, before you signed and initial all of these documents that I've just mentioned to you, did your attorney, Mr. Adams, go over these documents with you?
Yes.
And did you read and understand everything that he went over?
Yes.
Okay. Now, and is everything in these documents, Ms. Chavez, is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? You have to speak up. Ms. Chavez,
Yes.
is everything in these documents true? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Ms. Chavez, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit Number 1, the probable cause affidavit. The misdemeanor plea admonishment, and I also have before me the probable cause affidavit. State, you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1 and State's Exhibit Number 2, the probable cause affidavit?
Yes, Judge. State offer states 1 and 2.
Any objections, Mr. Adams?
No objections.
Okay, no objections. State's Exhibits 1 and 2 are admitted. The court will take judicial notice of State's Exhibit Number 2. Mr. Adams, you advise and counsel Ms. Chavez. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None that I'm aware of.
Ms. Chavez, your attorney, Mr. Adams, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes.
Ms. Chavez, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
What is that agreement?
In exchange for the defendant's plea of no contest in this case, the state's recommending confinement for a period of 30 days. We're asking the court to give the defendant credit for the 30 days that she's already served, essentially making this a time served agreement. With regard to the court costs in this case, we are asking that the court utilize that time that she's already served to both tax and retire those court costs, Judge.
Mr. Adams, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ms. Chavez, the state is offering that you serve 30 days in the Jefferson County Jail, but you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because the time that you spent in jail has already satisfied the term of this punishment. So therefore, you will be given credit for time served. The court cost in this case is $332, but you will not have to pay the court cost because the time that you spent in jail has already paid it off. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Ms. Chavez, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Chavez, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Chavez, this will conclude your case. You'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Fol-
Yes, sir.
Okay, follow the bailiff. Okay, you can knock on that door, you follow the bailiff.
Okay,
You
thank
free
you.
to go. Okay.
Thanks.
Denisha McMillan, and Ms. McMillan, make sure that that door is closed.
Yes, sir.
It is, okay. Let's see, this is cause number 332492. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Denisha Janae McMillan.
Yes, sir.
And Ms. McMillan, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Ms. McMillan, would you please raise your right hand?
Yes, sir.
Ms. McMillan, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Ms. McMillan, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. McMillan?
I'm doing okay, Judge Holmes.
That's good. Now, Ms. McMillan, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Langston Adams, who is here in court. Mr. Adams, you waive a record in Ms. McMillan's case.
Yes, sir.
Ms. McMillan, I have before me a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. This information alleges that on or about July 4th of 2021, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of possession of a controlled substance, Kennedy Group 2A. Ms. McMillan,
You mean June 4th?
it says July 4th of
I've been in
2020.
here since June 21st.
No, we talked, this offense occurred last year.
Oh, so this one last, I knew, okay.
Okay, now, Ms. McMillan,
Yes, sir.
do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
Now, for this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest?
Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
All right, now, Ms. McMillan, I have before me a document that is titled the misdemeanor plea admonishments.
Yes, sir.
And, on page 2 of this document, there are a set of initials, DM, that are on a line next to a box that's checked nolo contendere, which means no contest. Did you
Yes, sir.
place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Ms. McMillan, did you also sign this document?
Yes, sir.
The next document that I have before me, Ms. McMillan, is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. And Ms. McMillan, at the bottom of this document, there's a signature that's titled defendant. Did you
Yes,
also
sir.
sign this document? At the top of this document, Ms. McMillan, there is one box that's checked that's titled, well, it states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal.
Yes, sir.
And at the next document that I have is titled Discovery Certification.
Yes, sir.
At the bottom of this document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. And Ms. McMillan, did you also sign this document?
Yes, sir.
Now, Ms. McMillan, before you sign and initial all of these documents that I have just mentioned to you, did your attorney, Mr. Adams, go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir, he did.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, sir, I did.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the
Yes,
best of your
sir.
knowledge?
Yes, sir, that's true and correct.
Ms. McMillan, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Ms. State, I have before me State's Exhibit Number 1, the misdemeanor plea admonishment. Also have before me the probable cause affidavit. State, you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1 and the probable cause affidavit?
Yes, Judge. State offer states 1 and 2.
Any objections, Mr. Adams?
No.
Okay, no objections. State's Exhibits 1 and 2 will be admitted. Court will take judicial notice for Stage 2. Mr. Adams, you advised and counseled Ms. McMillan. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No.
Ms. McMillan, your
Yes.
attorney, Mr. Adams, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir, very satisfying.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Ms. McMillan, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
In exchange for the defendant's plea in this case, the state's recommending confinement for a period of 20 days. We're asking that the court give the defendant credit for the 20 days that she's already spent in custody, essentially making this a time served agreement as it relates to the tax and as it relates to the court costs. We're asking that the court use that 20-day time already served to both tax and retire the defendant's court costs, Judge.
Okay. Ms. McMillan, the state is offering that you serve 20 days in the Jefferson County Jail, but you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 20 days. Therefore, you'll be given credit for time served.
No, God, thank you.
The court cost in this case is $332, but you will not have to pay the $332 because the time that you have spent in jail has already paid it off. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Ms. McMillan, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that
Yes, sir.
it's fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. McMillan, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. McMillan, this will conclude your case.
Thank you.
If you do not have anything else holding you in jail, you should be getting out today.
Yes, sir.
You can please knock on that door, follow the bailiff. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too. God bless you and your family. You have a blessed day.
Thank you. Yeah, hold on, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute, Mr. Porter. Mr. Porter, we don't have any other ones ready at this time. Now, let me do this here. We had Hampshire. Is that gonna, that's
Hampshire is, I talked to him last night. I informed him of the 90-day offer. The Hampshire said is that he wanted to talk to you because he wanted to get, well, I'm just telling you, it's not in private. He wants to get the 2-for-1 or the 3-for-1 as well. I said that I can't speak to that. That's a deal.
okay. So that's gonna be yeah, that's true.
So
that's gonna have to be reset.
it's gonna have to be
Abstract.
unless you gonna
Okay.
give it to me.
Well, that's the judge. I mean, that's the.
Yeah, that's on.
Where's Mr. Coleman? I just noticed that he's not on it. Oh, okay.
I'm here, Judge. That's within the purview of the jail. You know,
Right.
we can't speak to the 2-for-1.
Right. Okay, so that's gonna be reset. Hold on a minute. We got Angelo.
COVID,
Okay.
COVID. I went there last night.
Okay.
Please reset.
Okay, that's gonna be reset, Angelo. Okay. The next one is Richardson, Alan Richardson.
He refused to meet with me in the jail last night. They said that he would not come. He didn't want to talk to no lawyers. He didn't want to talk about the case. He didn't want nothing to do with the case. And I'm assuming they had, you would ask him support if he got a problem. He would
Okay.
not meet with me.
Okay,
He said he
okay.
won't meet with me.
So he refused to meet. Okay. So that have to be
I don't think he
Okay.
needs no lawyers.
okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to, okay. Well, cool, we're gonna have to,
Another one was Brooks, and that's COVID.
okay. Oh, Brooks, okay.
Brooks, COVID.
Okay, well, Mr. Let me do this here. Okay, Mr. Porter, advertisement is reset. We have, well, I know y'all didn't bring, Angelo down. Because of the, and then,